Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, a closer look is being taken at a piece of modern nostalgia, the Polaroid now third generation I-type instant film camera. This particular offering comes in a sleek black finish and is bundled with a generous 16-color film photos, plus a very practical signature series case. It's an all-in-one package designed to get anyone snapping instant memories right out of the box. The Polaroid now third generation truly embodies the spirit of instant photography. It's not just about taking a picture, it's about the tangible, physical print that develops before one's eyes, a unique experience in this digital age. The camera itself is designed for simplicity, making it incredibly accessible even for those new to instant film. Its autofocus system helps ensure sharp shots, while the double exposure feature allows for creative experimentation, adding an artistic flair to one's captures. What makes this bundle particularly appealing is the inclusion of 16-color I-type film photos. This means there's no waiting around to buy film separately. The fun can begin immediately. The I-type film is known for its vibrant colors and classic Polaroid aesthetic, delivering those iconic square frames with their distinct borders. Each photo becomes a unique, unrepeatable artifact, perfect for sharing, decorating, or simply holding onto a moment. Then there's the signature series case. This isn't just an accessory, it's an essential addition for protecting the camera. It ensures the Polaroid, now third generation, stays safe from bumps and scratches, whether it's being carried to a party, a family gathering, or on an adventure. The case adds to the overall value, making this bundle a comprehensive solution for anyone looking to dive into instant photography without any fuss. For someone seeking to capture life's fleeting moments with a touch of retro charm and modern convenience, this Polaroid now third generation bundle presents an excellent option. It offers the joy of instant prints, the ease of use, and the added protection of a dedicated case, all wrapped up in a stylish black package. It's a delightful way to create physical memories that truly stand out.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.